Intro, welcome to the ultimate guide to pasta. Few foods have shaped the culinary identity of an entire nation as profoundly as pasta. The humble dough that has been a cornerstone of Italian cooking and has conquered dinner tables across every continent. Most people think of pasta as simply spaghetti with tomato sauce, but Italy alone recognizes over 350 distinct pasta formats, each with a specific shape, texture, and purpose designed to work with particular sauces. From the long, thin strands of spaghetti to the tubular rigatoni built to capture chunky ragu in its hollow centers. Understanding the different types of pasta will transform how you approach one of the world's most beloved foods. 1. Spaghetti. Spaghetti is perhaps the most iconic and universally recognized pasta format in the world, consisting of long, thin, solid cylinders made from durum wheat flour and water, typically about 2 millimeters in diameter and 25 to 30 centimeters in length. What makes it unique is its perfect balance between surface area and thickness, which allows it to wrap elegantly around a fork while maintaining a satisfying bite at its core, making it extraordinarily versatile across dozens of regional Italian preparations. It matters because spaghetti is the definitive Italian pasta, serving as the preferred vehicle for dishes like aglio e olio, carbonara, and the ubiquitous tomato-based sauces of southern Italy. Italy produces approximately 3.3 million tons of spaghetti every year, and the city of Gragnano near Naples has been famous for its spaghetti production since the 16th century. The smooth, even surface of spaghetti allows sauce to cling uniformly to every strand, creating the perfect balance of pasta and flavor in each bite. 2. Penne. Penne is a tubular pasta format characterized by its distinctive diagonal cut at each end, giving it a quill-like appearance, and its ridged outer surface designed to capture and hold sauces in its hollow center and along its exterior grooves. What makes it unique is the combination of the diagonal cut, which increases surface area and creates interesting architectural shapes when stacked, and the ridges, which provide mechanical gripping for chunky sauces. It matters because penne is one of the most popular pasta formats worldwide and is particularly suited for baked pasta dishes, pasta salads, and chunky meat or vegetable sauces where the hollow tubes and ridges work together to deliver sauce with every single bite. The name penne comes from the Italian word for feather or pen, inspired by the diagonal cut that resembles the nib of an old-fashioned fountain pen. 3. Fusilli. Fusilli is a corkscrew or spiral-shaped pasta format featuring twisted, grooved spirals along its length, creating a distinctive helical shape that is both visually appealing and functionally designed to trap and hold sauces within its twists and curves. What makes it unique is the spiral shape that creates pockets and crevices throughout the pasta, making it exceptionally good at capturing bits of sauce, herbs, and cheese in every twist. It matters because fusilli is one of the most effective pastas for holding on to sauces, particularly favored for tomato-based dishes, pesto preparations, and cold pasta salads where its shape prevents clumping and ensures every piece is thoroughly coated. Fusilli was traditionally made by wrapping dough around thin metal rods to create the distinctive spiral shape, a technique still used in some artisanal pasta makers today. 4. Farfalle. Farfalle, which literally means butterflies in Italian, is a distinctive pasta format formed by pinching the center of small rectangles of pasta dough to create a bow tie or butterfly shape with 2 rounded lobes at each end. What makes it unique is its theatrical, elegant shape that adds visual interest to any dish, combined with the varying thickness across the pasta, with a thin pinched center and thicker lobes that create different textures when cooked. It matters because farfalle is one of the most visually striking pasta formats and is particularly popular for light cream sauces, vegetable preparations, and pasta salads where its beauty can be appreciated. The pinched center holds sauce differently than the smooth lobes, giving each bite a pleasing variety of flavors and textures. 5. Rigatoni. Rigatoni is a large, tube-shaped pasta format characterized by its straight-sided cylindrical tubes, typically about 2 to 3 centimeters in diameter, with ends cut straight across rather than diagonally, and a ridged outer surface that provides excellent sauce gripping texture. What makes it unique is its substantial size and robust structure, which allows it to stand up to the boldest, heaviest sauces including meat ragu, baked pasta preparations, and hearty vegetable sauces without becoming mushy. It matters because rigatoni is considered one of the most substantial and satisfying pasta formats, favored in Roman and Southern Italian cooking for dishes that demand a pasta with real presence and bite. The large hollow tubes are particularly effective at capturing thick sauces in their centers with every bite. 6. Fettuccine. Fettuccine is a flat, ribbon-shaped pasta format consisting of noodles that are about 6 to 7 millimeters wide and approximately 2 to 3 millimeters thick, falling between the narrow tagliatelle and the wider lasagna sheets in width. What makes it unique is its specific width and thickness ratio, which creates a satisfying ribbon that holds creamy sauces beautifully while maintaining an al dente bite at its core. It matters because fettuccine is the traditional pasta for Rome's most iconic cream sauce dish, fettuccine Alfredo, where the wide ribbons are specifically designed to be coated in rich, buttery cheese sauce. Authentic fettuccine is made fresh with a high proportion of eggs to flour, giving it a distinctive yellow color and tender texture quite different from dried pasta. 7. Penne Rigate. Penne Rigate is the ridged version of penne, distinguished by pronounced diagonal cuts at each end and distinctive parallel grooves running along the exterior of the tube, designed to capture and hold sauce far more effectively than smooth pasta surfaces. What makes it unique is the combination of the ridged exterior and the smooth interior of the tube, creating a dual texture experience where the outside provides powerful sauce grip, while the inside offers a smooth, tender bite. It matters because penne rigate is one of the most popular pasta formats in Italy and is particularly prized for tomato-based sauces and baked pasta dishes where its ridges ensure every piece is thoroughly coated and full of flavor. 8. Linguine. Linguine is a flattened, elliptical cross-section pasta format that is wider and thinner than spaghetti, with its name deriving from the Italian word for little tongues, which accurately describes its shape. What makes it unique is its flattened shape that provides more surface area than round spaghetti while maintaining elegance, creating a pasta that can deliver more sauce per bite while still feeling refined. It matters because linguine is the traditional pasta for some of Italy's most celebrated seafood sauces, particularly the classic linguine alle vongole with clams, where the flattened shape cradles the briny shellfish juices beautifully. Linguine sits between spaghetti and fettuccine in width, offering a unique balance that works with both delicate and robust sauces. 9. Ravioli. Ravioli is a filled pasta format consisting of two thin sheets of pasta dough pressed together around a savory filling, then cut into distinctive square, round, or circular shapes with decorative crimped edges that seal the filling inside. What makes it unique is that it represents an entire meal wrapped in pasta, combining the dough and filling into a single package that offers the contrast between the tender pasta wrapper and the flavorful filling within. It matters because ravioli represents the most elaborate and celebratory of all pasta formats, typically reserved for Sunday dinners and special occasions across Italy, with regional fillings ranging from ricotta and spinach in Rome to pumpkin and brown butter in Mantua. 10. Orecchiette. Orecchiette, which means little ears in Italian, is a small, dome-shaped pasta format with a thin center and thicker rim, characterized by its distinctive ear-like concave shape that is traditionally hand-formed by pressing a knife into small pieces of dough and dragging them to create the characteristic curve. What makes it unique is its asymmetrical shape with varying textures, combined with the rough exterior designed to capture and hold sauces in the concave center of each piece. It matters because orecchiette is the defining pasta of Puglia region in southern Italy, traditionally served with broccoli rabe, anchovies, and garlic, where the shape is specifically designed to hold the bitter greens and pungent anchovies together perfectly in every single bite.